Hello, y'all. I am Debbie Byrd with League Real Estate, and today we are going to see a house that is a little bit country, a little bit rock and roll. If you are looking for a 1 acre home with 4 bedrooms under $400,000, you just better stay tuned because this is the one and it's awesome. So let's go see. Okay, y'all, this is the coolest place. Okay, you're out in the country. It's a little over an acre on this lot, and there's no HOA. So really, the person across the street has a horse, has an RV. You can have anything out here. But let's go see how beautiful this home is. Not only is it in the country, but it's got super contemporary styling, and it was built in 2022, so it's practically brand new. And the owners of this home are so cool and stylish. I love all of the contemporary colors. It doesn't look like, the bland white and gray box. Great little open kitchen. It has a huge pantry. Then it's got a really big laundry room. They have their laundry pulled out from the wall a little bit. There's quite a bit of space. You could even put a refrigerator or a freezer there. Or your Dyson, you could plug it in right there. For those who are garage people, this garage is finished out, super clean. The floor's been covered the whole time. It's got that kind of bump out for storage. It's so nice. Okay, let's walk back through. Obviously, this whole space is very open and bright. And then we go into the master bedroom. Also, y'all, look how cool this place is with this tray ceiling and the dark walls. I love the vibe in here. All right, we got a tile shower, huge tub, double vanity with these pretty gold mirrors, and a great big primary bedroom closet. Okay, one of the things I want to point out about the floor, they all look the same, but it's actually a wood look tile in the bathrooms and then the wood laminate in the rest of the house. But no carpet anywhere, even in the secondary bedrooms, which I love. All right, we've got 2 little bedrooms here. And when I say little, they're not really that little. They're 13 by 11. It's a pretty decent sized bedroom. Both have accent walls, which I think is so cute. Then we've got a little hall bath here. Very nice. I just love all the finishes here. They all just seem really elevated. Not for a under $400,000 home on an acre. Okay, this 4th bedroom here, this is actually a 4th bedroom with a closet. They have converted it to a studio media room. You could convert it back. The walls just need to be painted white, but it makes a great game or media room if you don't need that 4th bedroom. All right, let's check out outside. All right, the small patio, you could bump this out and make something really big if you wanted to, or you could just sit here and enjoy the sun and the grass. This whole place is fenced. You can have dogs, you can have chickens, you can have horses, you can have goats. There's so much room that you could put a really nice pool back here too. That would be so fun. I want to hear in the comments what you would put in this huge yard. We are talking a 4-bedroom home over an acre with no HOA. You could have chickens, you could have your goats, you could even have a horse if you want to. And it is under $400,000. Joshua, Texas, Godley ISD. If y'all have questions, if you want to come tour this house, give me a call. My name is Debbie Byrd. I am with League Real Estate, and I would love to serve you. And I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.